first time because the static GK day first series have, so we are here for our best session. So you everyone firstly join, then after all we will start the session. Firstly we need to check out that the live streaming day first of static GK. Okay, today is the day first and we are containing day first series of static GK, which is the most important for your examination basis purpose. We have making one liner question. Okay, we have making here one liner question which is very much important for you every. Just a second, wait. Session very good you are receiving. Session quality, please one time make me sure that you are receiving good quality or not. Okay, clear. Just a second, wait. Okay, clear. Okay, now we have the first one topic important question. In this series we will take top 15 most important questions which is based on PYQ basis also have. So we will practice here top 15 questions. Okay, top 15 questions the target of the day have. We will complete here top 15 the questions which is depend on the static GK basis question. Today our day first series have, that's why we have ideas ideas have which type of the questions can ask by your examination. Those level questions I have here created for you every which make you the help best level. So let's start the journey of the questioning. Number first question asking, who was the first European who was the first European, okay, trader to come to India. Got my point? Clear hai beta? Question asking here, who was the first European, okay, who was the first European trader who came to India. Okay, came both matter here visible have because the sense mean only just word coming. Who was the first European trader main matter have. You write down the options. Option number first, Portuguese. Option number second here taking English. Option number third here taking Dutch. And option number fourth here taking bit of French. Clear have? Okay, very good. So you are looking here a question asking, who was the first European trader to come to India. First European trader asking, option here giving Portuguese, English, Dutch and French. As we well know that the first option Portuguese is the right option. So first trader came to in India is Portuguese. Clear have matter? So first one question answer here, who came the first trader in India, those is Portuguese. Clear hai beta? Now question number second. Clear? Video quality receiving very good or not? Okay, number second question saying, who was the first Portuguese, okay beta, who was the first Portuguese merchant to come to India beta. Clear hai beta? Here side asked have firstly who came in India, here side name asking beta. So name here what hai beta? Name here first one asking is giving option Almeida not right beta, Almeida have, okay, Almeida. And second Vasco da Gama, clear hai beta? Option number third beta here giving Columbus and beta option number fourth here giving Alfonso Alfonso the Albuquerque. Clear है बेटा? Albuquerque. Spelling here Q have this is understand. Okay बेटा. Question asking who was the first Portuguese merchant to come to India. Here name asking. Option number first is Almeida. Option number second is here Almeida have. Okay Almeida. And option number second Vasco da Gama. Option number third Columbus. Option number fourth is Alfonso the Albaruni. Clear have? Matter clear have? Okay बेटा. Okay, so option number here second is the right option. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama when came in India? So he came in India near 1498 beta. Near 1498. Clear have? 1498. He came near 1498 and first time he taken spices from India. Then he went their side in his country Portuguese. Then their side from Portugal very much Portuguese started to come here for the spices and other all related spice of vegetable and else are we because we have a lot of spices in our country. Okay, so first one here European came Portuguese and the first one Portuguese Vasco da Gama came since 1940 1498. Clear have matter? Now next question number third. Okay, hope you are understanding very good. Clear beta? Question number third note down. Question number third saying when was East India Company East India Company established matter clear है बेटा. Question asking when was East India Company established. Option number here first is 1600 AD. Option number second बेटा 1602 AD. Option number third बेटा 1603 AD. Option number fourth here बेटा 1605 AD. Matter clear है बेटा. Question asking when was East India Company established. Option number first 1600 AD. Second option 1602 AD. Third option 1603 AD. Fourth option 1605 AD. So the right option of this question is 1600 AD is the right answer. So East India Company established in 1600 AD. Clear have? Next question. Next question what saying who laid the foundation of clear beta of dual rule in Bengal. Question mark symbol upside I have making here. Option number first is Warren Hastings. Clear beta? Single R have. Okay, Warren Hastings single R. Warren Hastings. Second option beta Mir Jafar. And third option beta Robert Clive. Option number fourth beta Cornwallis. Matter clear है बेटा. Option number first Warren Hastings. Option number second Mir Jafar. Option number third Robert Clive. Option number fourth is Cornwallis. Question what asking this understand first of all. Question asking who laid the foundation of dual rule in Bengal. Okay, who laid the foundation of dual rule in Bengal. So the right option of this question is Robert Clive beta. Robert Clive laid the foundation of dual rule in the Bengal. Clear है matter beta? Got my point? Okay beta. Now understand dual government in Bengal when came. So dual government. Okay beta. Dual government dual government came in Bengal since 1765 to beta 1772. Clear है बेटा? This is the duration period have when dual government came in Bengal 1765 to 1772 by Robert Clive laid. Yes, a foundation laid by the Robert Clive. Matter clear है बेटा? Now move on the next question. Hope you everyone understanding very good. Okay, clear beta? Now second next question is beta number 5th question. Who abolished beta the Darchi? Who abolished the Darchi rule in Bengal beta? Rule in Bengal beta. Matter clear है बेटा? Question asking who abolished the Darchi rule in Bengal. Option number first here giving beta Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings beta. Matter clear है बेटा? Option number second Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie. Option number third beta Lord Canning. L Canning writing beta. L Canning means Lord Canning. Understand? Okay beta. Lord Canning. Option number 4th what saying beta Lord Agnew. Lord Agnew. Matter clear है बेटा? Question here I have. Okay. Question saying beta who abolished the Darchi rule in Bengal. Okay beta, who abolished the Darchi rule in Bengal? So the right answer of this question is beta Warren Hastings beta. What have beta? Warren Hastings. When abolished beta? Then 1773 beta. Matter clear है? 1773 beta. Clear है? The first governor general, and he became in 1773 he became first governor general of Bengal beta. Warren Hastings became in 1773 the first governor general of Bengal. Clear beta? This one also headline keep hashtag give beta first governor general beta. Matter clear have? Any problem beta? Hope you understand very good. Okay, okay, clear have? First governor general became Warren Hastings. Okay, in 1773. Clear beta? Next question note down. The East India Company. The East India Company. Clear beta? East India Company in Bengal received beta rupees 10,000 crore beta. Rupees 10,000 crore beta. When did you get the right? When did you get the right to face trade? To face trade in exchange? Face trade in exchange beta. Understand with me. Face change in exchange for giving 3,000 rupees annually beta. 3,000 rupees annually beta. 3,000 rupees annually. Clear है? Option number first beta 1602. Option number second here 1688. Option number third beta 1717. Option number 4th here 1765 beta. Clear है matter? Question what saying? Question saying the East India Company in Bengal received rupees 10,000 crore. Okay beta, how much rupees? 10,000 crore rupees received by East India Company. Okay, from in Bengal. When did you get the right? When you get the right to face the trade in exchange for getting for giving rupees 3,000 annually beta. Clear है matter? So here asking beta, so here right option will be option number third 1717 beta. 1717. Clear है? In 1717 you get the rights. Clear? Note down fast. Hope you understand very good beta. Clear है? Okay beta. Now next question. Move on for next question. Question number 7. Clear है? We have top 15 question target beta. Top 15 questions target have. Clear? Question number 7, note down. Under which treaty? Under which treaty? Okay beta. Under which treaty did East India Company clear है बेटा, East India Company get the citizenship of Bengal, citizenship of Bengal, comma Bihar and Odisha. Clear है बेटा? Asking question, under which treaty did East India Company get the citizenship of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha? Option here giving beta. Option number first is Treaty of Alinagar in 1756 AD beta. Matter clear have. Option number second beta. First treaty of Allahabad beta. First treaty of Allahabad 1765 AD beta. 1765 AD first treaty of Allahabad. Second option beta. Second treaty of Allahabad. Clear है बेटा? Second treaty of Allahabad 1766 AD बेटा. Clear है? 1766 AD बेटा. Option number fourth, no any. Clear have. Question asking beta, under which treaty did East India Company get the citizenship in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha? Here name of treaty asking, when get the citizenship East India Company. So the treaty of Allahabad, second treaty of Allahabad, remember beta, AD 1766 beta. Second treaty of Allahabad is the treaty when East India Company get the citizenship with of Bengal, Bihar, Odisha. Clear है beta? Hope you understand very good. Clear है matter? Okay, now move on for the next question beta. Okay, question number 8 what saying beta? Question number 8, who implemented the subsidiary alliance, okay beta. Clear have. Option number first beta, Lord Wellesley. Okay beta, Lord Wellesley beta. Clear have. Option number second beta, Lord beta A.L. Dalhousie writing beta. Clear have. Lord Dalhousie beta. Clear have. Option number third what saying beta, Lord Curzon beta. L. Curzon beta writing. Lord Curzon beta. Clear have. Okay, here three option only giving beta. Who implemented the subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance. Clear have. So option here giving in front of you: Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon. Right option make comment beta. Fast. So option number here, which will be right? You everyone make comment before you. I am telling Lord Wellesley. Okay, Lord Wellesley implemented the subsidiary alliance. Okay, clear have. Next question, note down beta. Which state was the first state? Which state was the first to sign the subsidiary alliance beta? Clear have or not beta? Subsidiary alliance. Here alliance not have beta, alliance have. Clear. Okay, option number first here saying Hyderabad. Option number second what saying beta? Mysore. And option number third here saying Tanjore. What saying beta? Tanjore. And option number fourth saying beta Awadh. Matter clear have beta? Awadh. You everyone looking on your screen. So question asking here, which state was the first state to be signaturefy, okay, to sign the subsidiary alliance? Clear have. So option number first is the right option. Hyderabad is the first state became who given the signature on the subsidiary alliance. Clear have beta? Hope you understand very good. If understand have, then continue for the next series question. You everyone note down. I need chalk. I have finished here this. Just a second, wait. You everyone continue. क्लियर है बेटा? Okay, now for the next question. Before next question we need to erase. Actually chalk finished have that, so I'm so sorry to take your time. Okay beta, clear have. Come on the next question. Question number 10 se have. Yes beta. Question number 10 se have. The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. Clear have. The Battle of Plassey. Note down everyone beta. Plassey spelling right have or wrong have? PLA dual S EY. Plassey right have. Okay. Took place. Note down fast. Took place between beta. Clear have. Took place between which two states beta? Clear have. Which two sides right beta? State not right, sides right. Option number first here saying beta. So firstly question once time repeat. The Battle of the Plassey took place between which two sides beta? Side name which two sides when taken the Battle of Plassey. Name note down beta fast. Number first is Mir Qasim and British beta. Mir Qasim and British beta. Matter clear have. Second option beta saying Sirajuddaulah. Clear have beta? Sirajuddaulah. A have beta here. And directly right beta and British beta. Clear have. Sirajuddaulah and British beta. Here two option we are taking. So question here saying Battle of Plassey took the place between two sides. Option number first Mir Qasim and British. So definitely this wrong have. Okay. Second option Sirajuddaulah and the British. Yes, Sirajuddaulah and the British. these two sides are, one side have Sirajuddaulah and second side have beta British. These both they both came together. In between of both them battle of Plassey done have beta. Clear have. Next question number 11 beta. Okay, who supported beta Mir Qasim beta, who supported Mir Qasim in the battle of Buxar beta. Clear have. Battle of Buxar beta, matter clear have or not, understanding or not? Buxar beta, clear have. Okay beta, Buxar spelling B-U-X-A-R have, yes, A-R have, Buxar. Okay beta, option here note down beta. Option number first is Shah Alam second Mughal Emperor. Shah Alam second Mughal Emperor. Clear have. Option number second saying Sirajuddaulah, Sujauddaulah beta, Sirajuddaulah not Sujauddaulah. Clear have. Sujauddaulah, Nawab of Awadh beta. Clear have. Nawab of Awadh. Clear have. Third option beta what saying Mir Zafar beta, who say have beta Mir Zafar beta, Nawab of Bengal beta, who have Nawab of Bengal beta. Clear have. And fourth option saying beta both A and beta B. Clear have. Both A and B option have beta here, means given have. So question saying who supported the Mir Qasim in the battle of Buxar beta. Option number first saying Shah Alam second, who is the Mughal emperor have, and Sujauddaulah Nawab of Awadh, or Mir Zafar Nawab of Bengal. Fourth option both AB. So the right answer is both AB beta. Clear have. Option number fourth is the right have. Shah Alam second Mughal emperor and beta Sujauddaulah Nawab of Awadh is the right answer of this question have. Clear have beta. Hope you understand very good. Now move on for the next question series. Till you everyone note down firstly. Very good. Clear have. Yes. So can I raise this question for the next? Okay, clear. And you everyone please, if you are a new member, have so session share beta, session share from morning to evening. Approx you will get 5 to 6 session classes, where side you will get reasoning, firstly current affair, then English, then reasoning, then mathematics, then journal studies. In the journal studies all the parts like history, geography and physics, chemistry, biology, sports, computer. By shift wise you will get the session. After all, in the late session, which one late then 2 p.m. session have journal studies, and 8:30 session you will get static GK especially. Clear have. Session share everyone. Question number 12 beta. Question number 12 note down. Question number saying 12, who was the ambassador. Clear है बेटा. Who was the ambassador of James है बेटा. Okay, of James first. Clear है. And in same asking who came to Jahangir, Jahangir's court beta. There are 2 questions having similar beta. Option what giving, firstly option understand, then continue question. Peter Munde beta. Peter Munde. Option number second beta what saying Father Thomas. Option number third beta Ralph Finch beta. Clear है बेटा. LP have and H have. Ralph Finch have beta. Ralph Finch. Clear have. Option number 4th saying Sir Thomas Raw beta. Sir Thomas Raw beta. Clear है beta. Here question saying who was the ambassador of Zam's first who came to Jahangir's court. Matter clear है beta. Understanding or not? Firstly this thing tell. So name of the ambassador of Zam's first and who came the Jahangir court, those both are same है beta. So option है Peter Munday, second option है Father Thomas, third option है beta Ralph Finch and fourth option Sir Thomas Raw है, which is the right option number 4th. Sir Thomas Raw came the first came Jahangir court and he was the ambassador of Zam's first. Clear है beta? Understand or not? Question number 13. Move on for question number 13. And this question is specially we are created for we have created for SSC examination. Upcoming all the examination based level question have. Understanding or not? Very Finch level to Plinth level question have. Okay, you can understand easily. This level of Plinth to Paramount of the CGL based questions, the HSL based question, MTS based question. Okay, whatever have SSC field everywhere this can move walk level. Okay, and you are looking here chalk all dust came on shirt area, face area, but it's okay, no problem. Number 13 question, what saying this? Understand. Question number 13 saying beta who laid the foundation beta. Clear है beta. Who laid the foundation beta of the city of Calcutta beta. Who laid the foundation of city of Calcutta beta. Clear have. Matter clear have. Here option can say Kolkata also. Clear have. Option number first what saying beta Robert Clive and beta second option will be Job Charnock. Okay, clear have. Job Charnock. Option number third है beta Warren Hastings has written have. Understand. Clear है beta. Option number 4th have Lord Wellesley beta. Clear है beta. Lord Wellesley. Question saying who laid the foundation of city of Calcutta, that Kolkata can also say. Option number first Robert Clive, option number second Job Charnock, option number third is Warren Hastings, option number fourth is Lord Wellesley. So the right option of this question is who laid the foundation of city of Calcutta is. So the right answer is Job Charnock have. Clear have. Job Charnock have. Clear have beta. Understand. Note down everyone. Note down fast. Okay beta. Now question number 14. Move on for the question number 15. Top 15 target have beta. Top 15 questions target. Already before start session I told you. I don't know how today full dust coming on face. Okay, question number 14 what saying? When did the clear है beta? When did the Portuguese clear have annex Goa from Yusuf Adil Shah, the ruler of beta, the ruler of Bijapur beta. Clear have. Bijapur beta. Clear have. Option here what getting beta 1508. Option number second have 1590. Option number third have 1510, ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ है बेटा 1516 बेटा। clear have or not? Question saying when did the Portuguese annex Goa from Yusuf Adil Shah, the ruler of Bijapur have? Option number first 1508, option second 1590, option third 1510, option fourth is 1516, and the right answer of this question is 1510. Matter clear have? Now the last question of the series, the part first of static GK is what saying, note down which foreigner, even which foreign clear have, which foreign inventor took away the Kohinoor diamond, clear है बेटा, कोहिनूर डायमंड एंड पीकॉक थ्रोन बेटा। क्लियर हैव पीकॉक थ्रोन बेटा। क्लियर हैव और नॉट? पीकॉक थ्रोन स्पेलिंग THRONE है बेटा। क्लियर हैव फ्रॉम इंडिया बेटा, फ्रॉम इंडिया। क्लियर हैव और नॉट? इंडिया। ऑप्शन बेटा हियर सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट इज नादिर शाह, ऑप्शन सेकंड सेइंग अहमद शाह अब्दाली बेटा, अहमद शाह अब्दाली। एंड ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ सेइंग बेटा ऑप्शन नंबर तैमूर लंग बेटा, तैमूर लंग बेटा। क्लियर है बेटा? क्वेश्चन सेइंग विच फॉरेन इन्वेंटर टुक अवे द कोहिनूर डायमंड एंड पीकॉक थ्रोन फ्रॉम इंडिया। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट नादिर शाह इज द राइट ऑप्शन है, एंड कोहिनूर डायमंड एंड पीकॉक थ्रोन टिल टाइम ऑल्सो वी डोंट हैव। वी ऑल नो Kohinoor diamond and peacock throne is ours property, Indians property, but sad news this have, we don't have these both things, and Nadir Shah taken this both one things. Clear है बेटा? So thank you so much to join the first session, the day first series of static GK top 15 most important question for SSC examination. Hope you feel very good, hope you enjoy very good our this session, and today is the day first when I taken on Sunday especially this session. Maybe Mata Rani blazing have, then we will continue this series. Thank you so much to join. Jai Hind, best of luck.